Hey guys, so now I do have the brand new quad-core Samsung Galaxy Note 3 here on the left side and my brand new iPhone 5S, not the iPhone 5C that I've said in other videos, on the right side. So left side Note 3, right side Apple iPhone 5S. So I'm gonna do the traditional boot up test here. This is interesting because the new Galaxy Note 3 has an updated processor better than the Galaxy 4. Clocked higher also, so 2.3 GHz quad core, Snapdragon 800 instead of 600, a better GPU and some other stuff, so, and also new improved software. The iPhone 5 here with the latest iOS, or the iPhone 5S, with the latest iOS 7.0.2 update that I did just do a review of here, that solved some bugs and glitches. And this one, of course, also has an updated processor and GPU and all that good stuff from what I've heard. So let's just see here how they stack up against each other. So we're gonna boot them down. Okay, the Note 3 wins the boot down section here. The iPhone takes some time to boot down. Okay, let's go. Okay, this could be interesting. I think actually the Note 3 definitely should be the winner, easy here. Oh! We do have a winner, it seems. Wow. So that's interesting. Of course, that I didn't think that much about. I mean, the processor here seems to be snappier as well. So the iPhone 5 wins speed test here when we are booting them up. Of course, I'll be doing a ton of videos in the future, but both are very, very snappy phones. Okay, both are very, very awesome phones in terms of speed. So can't wait to check them out more in future videos. So stay tuned for that. Peace out.